In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip, rotate, or mirror images in Microsoft Word. In this tutorial, we'll look at a few simple ways to change the orientation of images in Microsoft Word. I'll be using Microsoft 365 on a desktop computer and will work with several images in a Word document. I have Microsoft Word open now and I have 3 images placed in the document. Let's start with the first image and rotate it. To rotate an image, left-click on the image to select it. Once the image is selected, you'll see a bounding box around it. At the top of the image, you'll also see a circular arrow. This is the rotation handle. Place your mouse cursor over the circular arrow, then hold down the left mouse button and drag the handle in either direction. As you move the handle, the image will rotate along with your mouse movement. Continue dragging until the image reaches the orientation you want. Now let's look at the second image and flip it. First, left-click on the image to select it. With the image selected, go to the Picture Format tab at the top of the Word window. On the ribbon, look toward the far right for the Rotate option. Click on Rotate to open the available choices. You'll see several options for changing the image orientation. As you move your mouse cursor over each option, Word will show you a preview of how the image will look. The available choices include Rotate right 90 degrees, Rotate left 90 degrees, Flip vertically, and Flip horizontally. The horizontal flip creates a mirrored version of the image. For this example, select Flip horizontally. The image will immediately be mirrored from left to right. There is also another way to change the appearance of an image by adjusting its shape using the handles around the bounding box. For the last image, left-click on it to select it. You'll see several handles or anchors around the edges of the bounding box. Hold down the left mouse button over one of these anchors and drag it to change the image's shape. You can also use one of the top anchors and drag it downward to adjust the image vertically. When making these adjustments, be careful to maintain the image's aspect ratio so that the image does not become stretched or distorted. And that's how you can flip, rotate, or mirror images in Microsoft Word using the available image controls and formatting options. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,